Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've recently purchased a Mustang Mach-E or you're charging one for the first time, you may be wondering about the proper way to recharge the battery safely and efficiently. Fortunately, the Mustang Mach-E is designed to support convenient charging at home and at public stations, making the process straightforward for everyday use. Understanding the basic charging procedure can help maximize battery performance and ensure a smooth driving experience. Whether you're using a level 1, level 2, or fast charger, getting started is easier than you might think. In this video, I'll guide you through several simple steps that may help you charge your Mustang Mach-E correctly. Try these. Step 1. Park the Mustang Mach-E and switch it off before charging. Step 2. Open the charging port located on the Mustang Mach-E. Step 3. Connect the charging cable to the Mustang Mach-E securely. Step 4. Monitor the charging status displayed by the Mustang Mach-E. Step 5. Allow the Mustang Mach-E to charge until it reaches the desired level. Step 6. Disconnect the cable and confirm that the Mustang Mach-E is ready for driving.